friends! Welcome to my music room. I'm so glad you're here. But can you help me? I'm feeling a little frustrated. There's this ticking sound and I can't work out where it's coming from. Could you help me find it? Okay, maybe it's over here. No. What's that? Oh, or maybe it's over this way. No, it's not over here. What did you say? Behind me. Oh, you're right. Oh, phew, that's much better. Oh, I know what this is. This is called a metronome, and you use it to keep a steady tempo. Oh, the tempo is the speed of the song you're playing. Listen to this. When I move it down to a low number, it makes a slow tempo like this. Let's clap along. Well done. But if I move it up to a high number, then it makes a fast tempo like this. Well done. You know, I think about tempo a lot when I'm writing songs. If I want a song to be calm and relaxing, I use a slow tempo, something like this. But if I want a song to feel full of energy and excitement, then I'll choose a fast tempo like this. Let's listen to another instrument playing at different tempos. That sounds to me like a slow tempo. It sounds so dreamy and relaxing, and it almost makes me want to fall asleep. Ooh, but not anymore. Now it sounds exciting and dramatic and makes me feel full of energy. But what instrument is this? Is it a guitar?
No.
Okay. Well, could it be a saxophone?
No.
Oh, I know. Is it a violin?
Yes.
Well done, friends. You got it. I've got a great idea. Why don't we make a shaker so we can shake at different tempos? You'll need a cardboard tube, baking paper, rubber bands, and some beads. First, place your baking paper on one end of your cardboard roll and secure it with a rubber band. Just like this. Nice. Now we pour in our beads. If you don't have beads, you could use rice or stones, whatever you have. Then all we need to do is tie the other baking paper around the roll with a rubber band. And there you go, we've made a shaker. Let's try it out.
When you make a shaker, then you're a shaker maker. So come and shake your shaker with me. We can shake it fast, we can shake it slow. When you're a shaker maker, then you can shake your shaker. Different tempos everywhere you go.
Slow tempo. Fast tempo.
Off on my bike for a bicycle ride, pushing my pedals around. Cruising and gliding, I fly like a kite, wheels moving over the ground. Here comes a hill, let's give it some grunt. Pushing and pedaling up, 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 up. This This is hard work. I'm slowing down. Just keep on going. We're at the top now. Then we're zooming down the hill. Zooming down so fast, my feet are spinning round and I can hardly keep up now. We're zooming down the hill. Have you ever seen a bicycle so fast? I'm like a train just whizzing past. I'm zooming to a stop. Off on my bike for a bicycle ride, pushing my pedals around. Cruising and gliding, I fly like a kite, wheels moving over the ground. Here comes a hill, let's give it some grunt. Pushing and pedaling up. This is hard work, I'm slowing down. Just keep on going, we're at the top now. Then we're zooming down the hill. Zooming down so fast, my feet are spinning round and I can hardly keep up now. We're zooming down the hill. Have you ever seen a bicycle so fast? I'm like a train just whizzing past. I'm zooming to a stop.
Guess what I have here? It's another important thing for keeping tempo. It might look like a magic wand, but in the hands of a conductor, it's a very important part of an orchestra. Because there are so many different instruments playing at the same time, they have to keep the same tempo or it wouldn't sound very good. The conductor waves their baton to show the orchestra what tempo they're playing. If they wave it slowly, the orchestra plays slowly. If they wave it quickly, the orchestra plays quickly. Let's pretend that we're conductors. We can use our fingers as our baton. Are you ready to conduct our orchestra? Here we go. Let's start with a nice, slow tempo. Can you hear that beautiful, slow tune? What a lovely song. Well done. Okay, now shall we try a faster tempo? Here we go. Oh, listen to that. It's a lively song now. The orchestra are following our conducting. And stop. You were so good at that. What good conductors you are. But don't you think that was quite hard work being a conductor? Let's slow things down with some nice, calm breathing.
Breathe in, breathe out. This is the way we calm down. Breathe in, breathe out. Ready to say goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Thanks for singing and learning with me today, my friends. I always have the best time with you. Now, it's a beautiful day outside, so I might go for a walk at a nice, slow tempo. Until next time, have a musical day.
Music with Michael.